Hello guys, this is Ripun Hussain Chapel from WP Himmat. So today we are going to learn how you can move your local website into your live website. So for that we need to install a plugin in our local website. So we'll check a little bit how does a local website look from our side. So we have make a website in our localhost, and here is a quick look of our site. You can see here it is. Now we will transfer it into our live website, that is it. So we have installed WordPress in our this site too. So for transfer our localhost into a live site, we need to install a plugin in our localhost. So go on plugins, then click on add new, then on search plugins, type all in one. Then it will search all the plugin related to all in one. Then we need to install our plugin all in one WP migration. So click on install now. It will take a few moments to install all in one WP migrations. Then click on activate. The plugin has been activated successfully, and you can see a dashboard menu has appeared for that. Now we want to export all of our data. Now we'll click on export to, then on file, then it has started to export. Now you need to wait some time for it. You see the exporting process has been finished. Now we need to download our localhost. The size is 346 MB. Now click on download localhost. Then within a single seconds the download will be completed. Now what we need to do is we need to go on our live site, then go to the plugins, then click on add new, then type here all in one. Then the plugin suggestions will come. Then we need to install all in one WP migrations. Then click on the install. Then again click on activate here, and you see a dashboard menu has come, and now we will click on import, and you see we will click here import from file. Then we will select the download file that we have exported some time ago from our localhost. Now select the file, then click on open, and the exporting thing will start it. Now wait a few seconds. Don't do anything, and make sure that your internet connection is pretty nice here. Otherwise it will got interrupted or it will take some time. Now you can see that the importing has been finished here, and it is showing a message that it has override all of the things that is your previous website has been override. Now we want to click on proceed. Then it is saying that it is restoring all the things here, and please watch carefully. Please do not close this browser or window, otherwise the import will fail. So wait till that time. And it is saying that your site has been imported successfully. Then we can click on finish, and we can visit our site here, and you can see the site we saw in our localhost that has been exported in our live site. So now I think we need to make sure how we can log into our live website. So that credential has been changed here. Now we'll type here wp admin, then the username and the password that we have set in our localhost, we need to put that in this. So the username is Ripon and the password there was also Ripon. So now click on login. Otherwise you can't log in here. You see, this is the latest login that is exported from our localhost. So you need to give that credential here. So that's the way you can export your local website into your live website. So in our next episode, we'll show you how you can make a beautiful website using different kind of themes.